Well, if you have a home equity line of credit that's readvancing, you really are going to want to listen to this. On top of that, you're probably wondering what the heck's going to happen with the Bank of Canada at the next announcement. We don't know, but we'll talk about that too. And more importantly, we're going to talk about what's happening in the marketplace as a whole. Welcome back. I'm Alex McFadden, your mortgage advisor and wealth expert. My primary focus here is to help more people be educated on mortgage lending and real estate so they can make better decisions in life. Now, before you get into the video too far, I ask you one favor. If you like this video today, make sure to hit that like button, that subscribe button, because you're gonna get more of this good quality content. And if you're loving it, make sure to share it with somebody else. Let's get into it, shall we? Starting off, first things first, big news. Now, this news actually came back down in 2022, and we talked about it again in early 2023, but we're back at the table again because it is official. The OSFI, the governing body in Canada as far as a financial regulator is concerned, has made some serious changes when it comes to how readvanceable mortgage and line of credits work. Now, as a quick little refresher, a readvanceable mortgage and line of credit is a product that used to allow you to borrow up to 80% of the current market value of your property, and as you paid off the mortgage, you pay off a portion to the principal. That portion of principal was able to be reborrowed back in the form of a line of credit, a home equity line of credit. Now, it's not that those products are going away or disappearing, and we'll talk to people who have all those products in just a second, but if you're looking to acquire a product like that after November 1st, you can only readvance up to 65% of your market value. Again, at this time right now, if you're approved and you have a funded mortgage before November 1st, you would actually be able to access up to 80% in a readvanceable line of credit. Now, that's going to obviously have an impact on people going forward who are either investors or people setting up their home where they don't want to refinance to pull the equity and they want to capitalize on that. A slight, obviously, disruption, but it is what it is. Now, if you have a mortgage or a readvanceable mortgage with line of credit, we have now heard from Scotiabank and how they're going to deal with it, and we do believe that most of the other banks are going to be the same way. If your readvanceable line of credit was opened after September 12th, 2012, starting this fall, what will happen is they will be reducing the amount of access to your property from the 80% to the 65% over the course of 25 years. So realistically, you're probably not going to notice a massive difference for at least 10 years. And by then you probably could refinance or get the access to the equity, but really big news for those people applying for those loans afterwards. Now on to more news. Coming up real soon here is the next BOC announcement. That's September 6th of 2023. And before you know it, wow, we're going to have another rate announcement, and you're going to see more of my face on a video explaining to you exactly what happened. Now, all fun aside, it's been a stressful last year and a half for all those people who have variable rate mortgages, including myself. And so the question mark is, what is going to happen? And I don't have the answer for you, but I can tell you that as of the end of August 2023, the chance of an interest rate increase is sitting currently at about 25 to 30%. Now, the good news is that there's a lot of public and market sentiment suggesting that if rates go up, we're probably only looking at about 0.25 to 0.5% before we stall altogether, although there's so many things that can happen externally speaking that could impact those rates. So our feedback is, although there's a 70% chance that rates do not come down, there's still a small percentage rates could go up. Now, if you are someone who is looking to get into the marketplace, this probably won't have a significant impact on you because ultimately this is mostly affecting those in variable rate mortgages and lines of credit, but something to be aware of when going forward. Now, we posted lots of videos in the past about what to do if you have a variable rate mortgage, but just keeping in mind these announcements come, and of course we don't get any feedback as to what exactly will happen. Now, of course, when this happens, what is the impact on the marketplace? Well, of course, there's no guarantees, but the public market suggests that with the Bank of Canada, if they were to keep rates the same as they are right now, we could see an increase in market activity in the fall. As people come back, kids are going to school, people are getting back from their summer vacations, and if rates stay the same, we could see some more positivity. The truth is there's still a lot of money out there, and there are a lot of people who are pent up looking to buy homes. They're simply emotional and following the marketplace. Whereas if we do see interest rates increase by 0.25%, we could be in turn for a little bit of a quieter fall as people are a little bit nervous about the marketplace. The one massive opportunity, however, will be that if we do see the quiet down, I will tell you right now, and you can quote me on this, that we will see an opportunity for people who want to buy at a quote unquote discount on real estate prices, where you won't be able to get that probably for any time in the future. Now, if rates go up or if rates stay the same, we have multiple other announcements before the end of the year, so I won't try to predict anything beyond that, but something to keep in mind. Opportunities we just talked about right now. Of course, there's still buyers out there. There's still active opportunities. In fact, our own video guy, Dan, was just letting us know that he has been in multiple offers. So the market is not dead. It's not overly busy. It really just depends what you're buying and where you're buying it. And the market will always balance itself out. So when's a good time to buy real estate? The good time to buy real estate is when you're ready to buy it. With that being said, it's been an incredible summer. I hope you have had an amazing time. I wish you an incredible September. And as mentioned, if you're digging this channel and you're appreciating this information and updates, make sure to go ahead and hit that like, that subscribe button so we can get you more of this timely information as soon as possible.